In this video, let's find out the best and top 5 promo codes available for your EcoATM website. Let's start this video without any further delay. For this, I will simply go on my Google Chrome here and click on the search bar, and I will type the best available promo codes for EcoATM. So let's type that here, EcoATM promo codes. Basically what we have to do is the promo codes needs research. We simply have to type this and research the best available promo codes, the real one, and I will show you the best website for it also. Here you can see a lot of websites are available, but I will simply click on the third party website, scroll to the down and find a better website for your coupon codes. Simply click on the first website, that is Retail Me Not. Click here, and in this website the first promo code you can simply see that is for extra $5 cash when you sell desk at device kiosk, and the other promo codes are also for $5. Like you can see here, I will show you. Yes, the first promo code, click on it, and after clicking it you will get the promo code. You can simply copy it and go to the EcoATM website and just paste it to get discount. Also you can see the end date of this QR code, that is last of this year. So yeah, you can use it very easily on your EcoATM device. Now scroll to the down for reaching out more best coupons for this, like top 5. This was the first, second, third, fourth and fifth. These all are 5 best coupon codes available. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please subscribe to the channel.